My name is Greta. I'm currently an iOS engineer, and I've joined Vinted a year and a half ago. I started studying my bachelor's in bioengineering. That afterwards, I also did master's in analytical bioengineering in UK. And I guess I needed 5-6 years to understand that I don't want to do science. So afterwards, I started digging in a bit more into programming. At first, I tried web development, but I wanted something specific, something a bit more niche. So that's how I realized that I probably should do some mobile apps or something, and that's how I ended up doing iOS. I guess it wasn't only one reason. There were a few things. It's probably life quality. I didn't want to work shifts, nights and days, so it's more about life quality. As well, the other thing, when you work in the lab, you usually learn to do something, and you just keep doing that every day. And I just wanted to do a bit more. I needed to think every day, rather just learn and repeat process each day, every day. So that's how I realized I wanted to do programming rather just to do science. So my journey was a bit different because at first I did summer internship at Vinted. I just loved it so much. That's how I realized I wanted just to stay. And the next step, since I was still a beginner after internship, I realized I want to do academy and just stay here as long as I can because I loved it. Me and one of my other colleagues, we went straight through to academy. We were recommended from our mentors as they saw, I guess, potential. So they recommended us, and so we didn't need to do this process that you usually need to do when you go to Engineering Academy. But actually, we did pretty similar things when we were selected to go to internship. There were 4 steps, like there were general questions, there were actual tasks that you do, and then the talk that you have after you're doing the task. So there were several steps. The most important thing for me is Vinted values, because this recycling and secondhand thing is really relevant to myself. So, and people who work here are really interested about it. We share new ideas how we can repurpose things as well. And in general, everyone is just so helpful, especially when you do something new, especially when you change your career. When you, from knowing everything, you go to knowing nothing, and then everyone just helps you. You can find help in every area. Wherever I went, I found help. You talk with everyone like equal to equal. There's no one is above you. Like, they are more seniors, but they are also your friends, your colleagues. Everyone is just same as you. That's why I suggest to others just to be yourself, because that's the only chance that you're gonna have the best match you can for your job.